I set off the wrong thing, and every zombie in the hills will hear it and come for me. Yo, hey, you down there. Hannah sends you? Can you clear out these deadheads so we can talk? Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, Hannah said to expect you. Up here.
You must be Bozzy. Give me the gem, fella.
This is where the FX controls are. Thing is, when I climbed up here, I didn't notice that I had half a starlet with her teeth sunk into my shin guard. She chewed through a bunch of wires trying to get at me before I finished her off.
Rob, I get it. We're all lonely. Your personal life is none of my business.
The obnoxion here is that I'm trying to reverse engineer the setup they have for these D-Day effects. But they're all tangled, and I've already set off one quiet onset alarm and a random blast. So now we have unwanted extras pouring in, including a big, gross, postulate fucker.
You should have thought of that before you started romancing his girl. Okay, I'm kidding. What's the plan?
There's some mortar controls in the Sanger at the top of that hill, I think. Between those and the stuff up here, we can probably make the beach a dangerous place to be for the zombies. But maybe stay up there, because I don't want to trigger something by accident and, like, blow your legs off.
Noted. And great plan. Let's light 'em up.
I think I hooked up a trigger for some mortars. Either that or smoke. Can you try one of those switches out and see if it worked? Woo! Now we're cooking! Ah, shit! More extras coming! Stay up on that hill! You're kicking ass! Keep it up! But there's more coming, so watch yourself. Okay, the left mortar's reloaded. The danger clothesline of mortars is hooked up. Right-hand mortar's good to go when you are. Left mortars are locked and loaded. mortars on your right back up for you. The mortars on my right, on your left, are ready. I see we have a growing audience. Let's have some fun! Left mortars are locked and loaded. The ones along the barbed wire are good to go. Careful. Hannah said you were the business, and she was right. Stellar fucking work there.
Lest we forget, Bozzy. Lest we forget.
And you bought me enough time to make sense out of this spaghetti wires up here.
I'd hoped your full attention was on blowing shit up near me. But bygones, right? So what's the upside?
New ideas and new know-how. Some of which might apply to you, in fact. I've got an idea for something to gussy up your weapons.
Nice. All's peachy that ends peachy. You okay to get back by yourself?
Oh, yeah. And the Venice canals are gonna get a lot more dangerous to deadheads as soon as I'm back there.
Greetings. Traveler, this area remain. Secure.
Okay, eyes open, nose closed. So, wade through the ship, get into the CDC compound, find a blood sampler, use it. Home for fine wine and cake. CDC, right on the money. Now there's a twist. PPE didn't save him from the virus, but now amidst all this caustic X. Careful, Jay. They're packing cans of caustic X. That looks like the main dome through there. Unlocked. What could go wrong? $1 million unaccounted for. Oh, Mum. Is that how many went to ground? Shit! They were focused on the autophage in the living, not what it was doing to the dead. Reminds me of my old school. Body bags started hatching like cocoons. These poor people didn't stand a chance. One smart cookie, but all too late. Don't dwell on it, Jay. Space circus, big top of medical horror. Just my bag. Here we are. This looks blood samplery. Dead as a toasted dodo sandwich.
Good evening, Dr. Dorian. Please enter your authorization code. You have 1 attempt remaining.
Why would a... Dorian was working on the subjects marked Echo. Not a sausage. Nope. Somewhere around here. Aha! Echo was the code name for the screaming zombs. Dorian was working on those. Not an Echo. Somewhere around here. Where are you, Dorian? Nah, this ain't an Echo. Don't think this is the guy. Boom! Screamer. This is Dorian's autopsy bay. Dorian's signature. Yeah, now, Dorian. What happened to you? Aha, the code. Hey, Rubes, this thing's firing on all 300 cylinders.
You should see a circular opening big enough to stick your arm into.
I see a robot sphincter.
So, stick your arm into it.
Done. Now what? Oi! Oh, strong pelvic floor.
Just relax. It has to keep you steady so we can take the sample safely.
Yeah, I knew that. Any time now would be peachy.
Sounds like you're done. Now, the sample will dispense from the side.
I've got it.
Are there worm-like things wriggling around in it?
What?
Kidding. We're good.
Roops, you just cost me a gusset. Okay, I'm heading back. Watch out! Okay, right, I'm heading back.
Whoa, not so fast. I still need the equipment to perform the analysis. It's called a blood drive. Looks like a laptop.
Why didn't you mention this before? Okay. Where is it?
Hopefully at the lifeguard HQ. I sent someone to retrieve it from the pier, but lost contact.
Righto. I'll see what I can find.
Doc, you're smiling, so it must be good news, right?
So, myself and Dr. Myers checked your results twice, thoroughly, and we both came to the same conclusion. I'm very sorry, but you've tested positive.
Okay.
Now, we have phone lines ready if there's anyone you'd like to talk to. Otherwise, we have grief counselors who have been very helpful with this sort of diagnosis. They may be able to help you find some resolution.
Sure. So, when can I get out of here?
Yeah. Well, I'm afraid that's impossible.
Looks like someone might be home.
Figuring out the nature of the infection, we unfortunately can't offer you much time today. We've already...
Where,
Yeah,
son?
what are you talking about?
I'm tripping.
I feel fine.
Well, we've had to notify the medical examiner, and it is likely he's going to want to do an ultrasound. We do have a menu prepared when you're ready.
No. All right, Sergeant.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
Come
shoot
on,
you.
then.
You're
The
fine. You're
more
wrong.
the merrier.
I'm fine. Stop him. Hey.
Feeding time. Sorted. Rubes, there's no one here. I'm done.
Damn it. That means Dr. Bundy didn't make it. The blood drive must still be at the end of the pier.
Okay, one more goose chase. Just one, right?
Right. Just be careful. The pier was locked down, but Bundy had the key. Try to find him.
Find Bundy, grab his key. Gotcha.
Bundy, can you hear me? Zephron, I did it. I locked. pier checkpoint. It's contained.
Idiot. You need to get back there and unlock it.
What?
Reed needs the data vault.
Oh, oh God. Oh.
I'm well aware that... What is that noise?
I think, I think I'm I think I'm having a panic attack.
Give me strength. Bundy, things have gone very badly, and without the data vault, they'll get a whole lot worse. So stop panicking and get to the pier!
Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. 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 Oh, fuck.
Okay, Bundy. I'm sure you're still alive, and this will simply require civilized conversation over a beer. Just keep thinking about the view from that evac helicopter, JJ. Another cheery tourist location. Hey, Bundy, I ain't got all fucking night. Ah, there you are. You got something I need. Right, pier keys. It's all looking rosy. Here we go. Enter the pier to retrieve this blood drive laptop, jog nonchalantly back through the carnage, and I'm out of here. Ooh, hello. That sounds like a turd in the salad. You want to share the joke, you funny fucker? Oh, hello. I'll cut through here. Sticky carpets, Bazooka Joes, stealing credits with a bit of bent wire. Takes me back. Powered shutter, but no juice. Whole place has been mothballed. If I can just find the power switch. How many switches? Okay, tombola. Cool. Oh, screw this. No. Wakanda. At least I'll be able to see where I'm going. Yeah, you're all mouth and no trousers. Something's going around gutting people, and it ain't me. One up. No retries. Jacob wins. Cool. But also, oh crap. Oh man, awesome big wheel. Gotta stop this damn Ferris wheel to get through. Safety lock. I'll have to stop this big wheel. So, here you all are. Better late than never. Oh man, awesome big wheel. Gotta stop this damn Ferris wheel to get through.